When components or modules become unavailable, component engineers need to assess whether a replacement part will perform as identically as the original. This is especially important in medical or military equipment that has been through a lengthy and costly approval process. Compliance engineers need to sign off on the correct performance of a possible replacement product. Conventional component compliance, equivalency testing, often relies on an engineer's assessment of a spec sheet. Perhaps with the additional use of standard equipment like oscilloscopes, DMMs, or even just putting the component in a product to see if it works correctly. A compliance engineer needs to ask, do I need to retest the whole product if there is a change in only one component of the product? Not necessarily. The ABI BoardMaster Universal PCB Test Solution is a means for ensuring component and module performance equivalency in this age of shortages and long lead times. It can answer questions like, how does the new part work at different frequencies? Or is the spec sheet accurate? The ABI BoardMaster is a unique, versatile, self-contained, and easy-to-use electronics test system for testing these challenges. It is an all-in-one unit featuring a comprehensive set of built-in test instruments, complete with a built-in Windows 10 PC and special software. It can test almost any kind of IC, PCB, or assembly. Many types of investigation methods are provided, such as VI testing, digital analog IC checks, and voltage supply variation, which can speed up comprehensive component compliance testing. For more details, see the link below.